What's up, Scatter Crew? We are out here at Little Moab, having some fun, teaching the daughter how to drive. We got the whole family, and we are gonna learn her to drive. Hey, so after you go down this, I want you to turn, and we're gonna take you up that over there. Yeah. Now turn. There we go. Straight. Hold on. Back up just a little bit. Bump it. Bump it. There you go. Whoa. Turn it to the right. There you go. You can see that. Lift. There we go. Now left. A little bit harder now. Go straight. Go a little slower. Turn this way. Straighten it out. Now straight to me. There's a fat lizard. Look at this fat lizard right here. I missed it. That's okay. Okay, go. Now left. There you go. You're gonna bonk your face is what you're gonna do. Right there. Good job. Good job. So, as you can see here, this mount for the snowplow hit a rock, but I'm gonna show you here real quick this mount. So, you can see I've kind of hit some spots. But she's mounted up real nice right here. Oh yeah, look at that damage right there. It's alright. As long as these are okay, we're still good. We're still good to plow snow. So, we're gonna take off. I'm gonna put a few videos together of our adventures from today. But like and subscribe, and you know the drill. Hit that notification bell. We're gonna have some fun this summer, so come along for the ride. I know some of my other videos might be a little vlogish style, boring, I don't know, but we're about to turn things around this year, and we're gonna have some fun. So stay tuned, come with us, and let's go play. We're gonna let my daughter drive.